So what's the solution for the drain on your resources? What's the solution for this drain of a problem? First, remember 5 important things. In order to get more business, you need more online visibility. Because 91% of people are looking for a business online. Secondly, you need a way that brings incoming calls, not just clicks. Calls have 30 to 50% conversion rates, while clicks top out at 1 to 2%. Because of that, can you imagine your conversion rate increasing by not 15 to 25%, but 15 to 25 times? Thirdly, you want these calls to be exclusive to you and not shared with 5 others. Fourthly, you want more revenue out of whatever method you use than what you are spending, with a good ROI, return on investment. Fifthly, you want to not waste your money on useless calls, such as someone looking for a job or someone selling you something. And if it happens, have a way to recoup that loss back to you. How to be more visible online. Now you need to figure out a way to be seen online and be more visible than the next guy, the competition. There are usually 2 good ways. We are discussing with you today the 3rd new way. The 4th and best way is reserved for later. As it is our secret weapon, we are teaching probate attorneys to take over their whole industry. These first 2 ways of being visible online and be seen on the page 1 of a search engine such as Google and Bing, as you already know, are PPC ads and SEO. Unfortunately, both of these are expensive and out of reach for many startups and some established practices. So what's the solution? The solution then is the pay-per-call advertising by Google, also called local service ads or LSAs. Don't jump to any conclusions yet, like, oh, that does not work, or you never get approved. Too many hoops to jump through, or leads from LSA suck. Let me walk you step by step so you can fully integrate why this may be a helpful and an excellent good option for you. We'll go over these requirements and the steps you can take. What do you think about this? I'd love to get your feedback to help potential clients and probate attorneys. Just text us. This is Oscar, on behalf of Dr. Shiraj, signing off. Do connect with my boss on LinkedIn so she can share probate law practice case studies with you, and how probate law firms blossom after engaging with us.